They're like cats.
Yeah. Smoked food is delicious, but the idea of smoking food at home can be daunting. Standalone smokers are expensive, they're big, and you have to use them outside. Also, smoking food properly takes a long time.
Portable smoke infusers promise to solve a lot of those problems. They're small, they're comparatively inexpensive, they can be used indoors, and they quickly work to deliver a finishing hit of smoke to your food and drink.
To find the best model, we tested 5, priced from $20 all the way up to $150. We rated them on 3 things: stability, ease of use, and cleanup.
Let's take a look at the highlights from our testing. Okay, so this is the BREVILLE Polyscience. We're gonna smoke some popcorn. Here we go. Now we're smoking. Wow, already.
Oh wow, look at that. So
Definitely.
this, I mean, I feel like I could do this by myself. This is not a 2-person job.
I'm just gonna run off with the...
Get out of here, Lisa.
As you move the bag, nothing. This is staying put. This is not tipping. This is not in danger. It's kind of spectacular looking.
Yeah, these are great for presentation, that is for sure.
Yeah. Really nice flavor.
That is delicious.
It's a little awkward. I don't want to knock this over, but...
Yeah, it doesn't feel quite as stable.
Well, I'm finding one thing about this one that I'm not so happy about. It's very light, and this base is it's got a little bit of a flare out, but it's very light, and I feel like, you know, you could whack it and knock this thing over and start a little fire. I was holding the device while you were moving the popcorn around, but I think if you're by yourself, you gotta be really careful with something that's lightweight like this.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
Really?
It's like a campfire.
Now, I will worry that if you flip that bag up, this is gonna flip these chips right out with the fire.
So, not quite as stable and doesn't have the reach. Like, I can't get to the bottom of the bag. Weight and tubing length were the 2 main factors in whether a portable smoker was stable or not.
Yeah, we preferred products with heavier weight, so they stayed stable, and longer tubing that didn't have an issue reaching its target.
All right, let's go on to our next round, ease of use. All right, so we are gonna smoke an old-fashioned here, the ATK old-fashioned from our new book, How to Cocktail.
One of the differences I see here is this has the toggle switch instead of that nice dial on the professional one. The dial was a little more helpful in just gauging what you want to be doing, but I'm finding it's still coming out.
Smoke in the glass, cover with plastic wrap. Get it all nice and smoked in there. All right, so what we want to do here is take off the plastic, pour in the drink, and garnish it pretty quickly.
Wow, look at this. Beautiful.
All right. Gorgeous. You want to take a
Beautiful.
sip?
Yeah. Really nice. You get that smoke coming up first and then the drink, and it just kind of melds. Oh, really, really beautiful.
Are we like mixologists or something?
Yeah, now we are.
All right, so we have the GRAMERCY kitchen here, which Lisa thinks it looks like a rat. I think it looks like a vape. I don't like how short this is. I'm trying to get it in here and I'm moving. I have to pick it up off the ground.
I
It's
feel
so
like I
short.
have to hold it for you. Sounds a little rattly.
Sounds a little rough.
Okay, here we go.
It's nice and long. It's really ripping with the smoke.
Yeah, wow. I have the fire
This
department
thing-
running in here.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
really, whoa.
That worked fast. Holy
Yeah,
so
this one, when it's on high, it rips. It's like, I feel like
Yeah.
I don't have as much control over it. Garnish me.
Here we go.
Beautiful, look at that.
Wow. Okay, that's beautiful.
That is gorgeous. All right, so we have a gorgeous plate of seafood here. We have some sushi grade salmon and some raw oysters, and we are gonna smoke these.
This is so much easier to light because that hopper is wide and you can really get in there and the air has access to it. It's not just trying to get into a little tiny hopper. The dial is on max. I can turn it down, which is really nice. We have total control.
And I can really direct this all around without moving that.
I can turn it up again.
Oh my, this is
That is going
gorgeous.
to taste amazing.
Beautiful, look at that.
Wow.
My goodness. All right, we gotta try some of these.
Definitely.
All right, we need some help.
Yeah.
Come on, Joe.
Okay.
We're gonna have Joe come and join us.
What are we doing?
Smoked oysters?
Oh, they're really good. They're really good.
Yeah?
You get like the real fresh brininess for the oyster, but then like the smoke just comes in and like, but it's mild and gentle, it doesn't like overwhelm it.
Oh.
Yeah, I love it.
All right, it's smoking. Definitely
It is
smoking.
smoking. Can we go a little closer?
Yeah, we have to travel and
Yeah,
go
like a
in
devil's partner.
tandem. All right,
Forward,
now we're
back.
moving to the left.
Kind of roaring through these chips too.
Yep, we're almost done with the second set of chips. In terms of ease of use, there was a clear distinction between the winners and the losers.
We preferred smokers with fans that gave us more control and longer tubing.
So let's move on to our key final round, cleanup.
All right, so we are going to talk about cleaning now. And one thing we learned throughout the course of testing, these two models over here, they don't have removable smoking baskets like these guys all do, which is a real bummer because the smoke residue builds up in the baskets and over time it can start to make the food taste acrid. So that's really not great. We're just going to disqualify those right now. You don't want it to be like a 7 uses and then it's totally useless. So these three all had removable baskets. All right, so we've got the BREVILLE smoking gun here. Here's the smoking chamber, pops right out. Tap it right out there. It's got a little screen in there you can see where the fan pulls the smoke through. And you can wash this whole thing with soap and water right in the sink, then dry it off. So that was super easy because you can clean it like that and won't have that acrid buildup. Try this guy.
Same with this one. This is the BREVILLE Polyscience Pro. It's got the same hopper that comes out, same ability to get it nice and clean and get rid of all of that residue and wash that separately, and it is good to go.
Cool. Super easy so far. How about that guy?
Okay, this is the HOMIA FUMA. It has a little cup. It doesn't have the screen and stuff. It's kind of dropped down into the chamber, but I think I can get it out. And I think you could rinse that out. It's not quite as easy to clean, but it's nice that this comes out.
So sounds like A, B, F.
Having a removable smoke chamber was vitally important for these little smoke infusers. If we couldn't remove that chamber and clean it, the product would eventually become useless.
We ultimately found a smoke infuser that stood above the rest. Lisa?
The BREVILLE Polyscience Smoking Gun Pro was our favorite. It's priced at about $150, so it's not cheap, but it was the easiest to use, the most stable, and it gave us the most control over the smoke for great smoke flavor.
The BREVILLE Smoking Gun was our runner-up and best buy. At about half the price, it was a little lighter, so it was a little less stable on the countertop, and it gave us slightly less smoke control, but it smoked food just as well as our winner.
For more information on our winner and all the other portable smoke infusers we tested, check out the links below.
Be sure to post your smoke infuser questions in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.